wow. Wow. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It has finally arrived. It is here in my hands. I present to you the December 2018 BoxyLuxe from BoxyCharm. So BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription box. It is $21 a month, and they recently started this BoxyLuxe program that every 3 months they charge, I think, like an extra $28.99. Yeah, but it's only every 3 months, and you get this huge box. I mean, this is huge. So I have saved my November box so that we can compare the sizes. This is the regular ones that you get every month. And this is the box for December. Do you see the difference? It's huge. It is so huge. So I've been waiting like a week to open this. I'm so freaking excited. I can't even tell you. Let's just get into it. I literally cannot wait to see what is in this box. And I'm trying to find something to cut this with, but I don't have anything. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so the paper, of course, because the box is huge, the paper is going to be huge. Normally they send the info card, but it's just like probably just like this much. So it lists everything that's in here, all the prices and the name brands and all that jazz. So what I'm going to grab, let's see. Oh, this thing is just huge. So the first thing that I see in here is from Pretty Vulgar Cosmetics, and from the looks of it, I'm going to say it's a setting powder, and yes, it is the Powder Room 147 Matte About It. So this is it, white packaging with gold embellishments. Their packaging is always so cute. Look at that little birdie. Aw. So let's see. So this is just, I'm assuming, like, oh, cool. Look at the little puff is pink. Ooh, cute. So that retails for Pretty Vulgar. This retails for $32. So moving on. The next thing I see here is, holy crud. Look at this. This is a Luxie brush set. A set of Luxie brushes. This is the complete face set. Oh my god. I love Luxie brushes. They are so soft. They're just so easy to work with. They are the bomb diggity. Oh my god, I'm so... Yo. Wow. So it looks like we get a lot of things here. Wow. So this is the Luxie Brush Rose Gold Complete Face Brush Set, and this retails for $65. $65. And I can tell you here that you have a angled, this is what I would like to call these, like a sculpting brush. This looks like a cute little fluffy powder brush, and a kabuki-ish foundation brush. Oh, I'm so happy. And we have here your flat shader brush, a blending brush, and a flat liner brush, a spoolie, and this is most likely a lip brush. Wow. I mean, come on now. So we have $65 for that brush set. We're already way over. And this costs $49.99 the box? $48.99, $49.99. We're already way over. Wow, that was good. Okay, the next thing I see here is a Spon Gel Blossom Bliss Beyond Cleansing Body Wash Infused Buffer. Okay, so a body wash. Oh, okay, some sort of like spongy. Oh, and it's a star. Aw, that's cute. I have to see if this works well with sensitive skin, because I have sensitive skin. So this is a from Spon Gel Body Wash Infused Buffer. This retails for $20. The next thing I have here is, looks like a makeup bag, and it says Glam AF. And let's see, it's just like a clutch, like a wristlet clutch. Cool. So inside it's Crimes of Beauty, and this looks like a charger. Oh, okay, I see. So here we have the Glam AF wristlet clutch, and it comes with a USB charger for your phone. Cool. This is retailing for Crimes of Beauty wristlet portable charger, retails for $22. Cute. Very useful. Awesome. And the next thing we have here is the Protégé by, Suva Beauty Protégé eyeshadow palette. And let's see what this looks like. Ooh, cute. So we have here an eyeshadow palette. These two at the end look like highlighters, and you have some shimmers and some mattes. So you have these two in the middle. These two in the middle are shimmers. Let's go ahead and swatch. This one is Structure, and it looks like a pearly color. And this one here is a nice copper color that's called Balance. So this is Structure and Balance. Cool, nice. So this palette retails for, we have Suva Beauty Protégé palette retails for $34. $34. Come on, guys, like, is the value not crazy in this box? OMG. Next thing I see here is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Okay, so we have some skincare in here. Let's see. Okay, cool. Look at that. Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Let's see what it smells like. It smells good. It smells clean. You know, like not. It smells good. So the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, it is to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Cool. And this one retails for $89. Holy shit. $89. $89. Wow. I can't wait to total this up. This is gonna be insane. Oh, wow. Violet Voss Pro Palette. Wow. So, Violet Voss Pro Eyeshadow Palette. Oh, wow. Look at this. Nice, great sized mirror. And it looks like we have a total of 20 shadows. You have mattes, you have shimmers. One has some berries here. OMG. Oh my god, I'm gonna swatch Cranberry Splash, which is, looks so cute. Cranberry Splash. OMG. And Glamping. Wow, these feel so good. Wow, they feel really smooth. Like they're gonna blend really good. Guys. Ooh. So, Violet Voss Pro Palette. Wow. Here we have the Pro HG Palette by Violet Voss, and it retails for $45. Wow. Talk about bang for your buck. And it looks like we're down to our last two products, and I have here from Tarte, the Tarte East Shimmering Lip Paint in the shade Insta Famous. Ooh, cute. Look at that. Talk about glittery. Ooh, I love it. It is sheer, but it's a sheer shimmery color, which is great. You can put it over any lip color you would like, just to add a little something extra. Awesome. So from Tarte, the glitter lip paint, this retails for $20. I mean, come on, guys. I mean, come on. Ooh, and from Grand Cosmetics, we have the Lash Boosting Formula Mascara. Ooh, nice. Ooh. Cool. Look at that. Okay, so from Grand Cosmetics, the Grand Mascara retails for $25. Wow. I'm blown away. So the total of this box is $352. I'll repeat that one more time. $352. I'm literally hot. I can't even. This box was amazing. Brushes, setting powder, 2 eyeshadow palettes. I'm literally speechless. I don't know. Thank you very much, BoxyCharm, for coming up with this amazing idea, because these products are awesome. Great. Just wonderful. Just thank you very much. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. And of course, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And follow me on social media. All my info is linked down below. And till the next video.